Hello, welcome back into this Schematic channel. The topic of this video, how we can download and install the MPLAB X IDE. I show you the step by step how you can download, and then I show you how we can install it. So let's start this video. So first of all, open that link I give you into the description. You go there and then you directly open that web page. So scroll down and you see this is the download MPLAB. So click on it. After that, you reach on that section of web page where is the options of downloading the MPLAB X IDE for Windows, for Linux, for Mac. It is for different operating systems, so you can choose according to your operating system. In my case, I am on the Windows, so I download for a Windows. So that is the software which I already downloaded. So I show you how we can install it. So first of all, right click on it and run as administrator here. Now the setup window is come in front of us, and now we need to be click on next here, accept the agreement, and again click on next. Don't be change anything from here. If you want, you change the installation directly from here. Don't be change anything here. Click next. Now installation is start, and it takes the few minutes, and after that our installation is complete, and then I show you how I can run it. Now the setup is complete, our installation is complete. Now click on finish. Now they are downloading the MPLAB X IDE installer, so we need to wait here, and after that I show you how we can run it. So the setup for the compiler MPLAB X C8 C compiler, it is running, so we need to be click on next, again accept it, again click on next, and don't be change anything from here, and click on next. So change the installation directory, make sure your installation directory is same for the simple MPLAB, and then for the compiler click on next, and click on next. Our installation is start for the compiler for MPLAB, and after that I show you how we can run that MPLAB X IDE. So our installation for the MPLAB compiler is also completed. So this is our host ID. So copy it, click on next, and finish. So when you first time try to be run it, then they ask you allow the access for the Windows Security Defender. Okay, in that way, when you first time open the MPLAB X IDE, so this is the latest look of this IDE, and here you can create a new project by clicking on here, and you can choose the project from here, and then you can choose the family, device, tool, and then you can select the click on next, and here they say for compiler to change. Okay. So if I choose from here the family of 8-bit MCU, click on next, go back, click on sport debugger, go back, again I choose the 8-bit, click on next, and now they say this compiler I need to click on this download latest, and then click on yes, and then our compiler for this is downloading. So you don't need to be download the lot of compilers during the installation, because you can download the relevant compiler when you are creating a new project. So I hope so you like this video and you understand how you can download and install and run the MPLAB X IDE in 2026. So I see you the next time.